Hi to Ryan and Sean and Liv and Luca and Emma. I found a cool thing today and another thing I want to share with you. So I took a walk and I found this, which is a vertebra. Uh, so a backbone, we call it, and it would be inside of an animal, I assume. So it would go this way. If it was inside you, it would go this way. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bones. And so inside you or an animal, if you round your back like this, it moves just like that. Those bones have flexible stuff in between each one, so it can move, and it can even move sideways too. So just a little bit back and forth. You can see it that way, maybe better. And a week or so ago, I found this, and I don't know if they're related, but it certainly looks like a similar. It looks like, I don't know if it came from the same animal, but I thought that was really neat looking to see how the bones look inside of an animal and how they work. So that would be your backbone. You can call it that. And it runs right down the middle of your back. The same thing around an animal. So if your dog is walking or your cat, it would be like that. When we walk, it would be like this because we stand up. Isn't that neat, though? I think so. And then there's another thing I found a while ago. And what this is a bird's nest. And it's a big bird's nest, I think. Can you see it? So it's got a hole in the top where the birds would live, and the babies, the eggs would be laid in there, and then they would hatch in there and stay nice and warm and protected. And what I like about, sort of fun, all birds' nests are different. Some are little, some are big, some are a lot bigger than this, like a hawk or an owl or an osprey. They're really big. But so if you can see, this is made out of lots of little pieces of grass and even little skinny leaves like this. And on the outside, there's pieces. These look like fur, but they're not. They're actually from a piece of carpeting, I think, that the mommy bird put on there. I think it was the mommy, and it might have been. And there's a piece of paper or plastic. So I put all kinds of things, and then I cut it open so you could see inside what it's like inside. And it looks a lot like it does on the outside, but what you can see is that there's lots of little feathers in there, and it makes it nice and soft, so the babies and even the mommy and the daddy can be nice and comfortable, just like a really nice, warm, snug bed. I like that. So what do you think of that nest? Have you ever found a nest near your house? The ones that I've found before were usually kind of small, but this is big, as you can see. So I don't know what kind of a bird would live in it, but it blew down after we had a big windy storm. Sometimes that happens, I'm sure, at your house too. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the bones from the animal and the nest from a bird. A house from a bird. Okay, bye everybody. Oh, I didn't say hi to Owen. I got fuzzies on me. But so bye Owen, bye Liv, bye Luca, bye Emma, bye Ryan, bye, and bye Sean.